Pag naririnig mo to, nasa kabilang banda kami nang hinahanap mo. Pamparam, pam, pam, pamparam, param. Sumabay lang sabay, ang sarap sa pakiramdam. Pam, pam, pam.
C'est heaven.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Why you calling me a baby? Are you crazy? I'm like, whoa. Why you telling all these ladies you my baby? I'm like, whoa. Hold up, di kita kilala. Whoa, back it up, baliw ka.
Stop, drop, and roll. Do that. Do it like a pro. Do that. Stop, drop, and roll. Do that. Do it.
Oh my gosh! Ay, okay ninam nagbangset, duldog ka. Gusto na tayo nga karag. Salit. Ito na agbras.
Okay guys, good morning to everyone. Our topic for today is all about science. And what is science? Anyone?
Sir.
Okay, Joren? Sir, science is the language of community. Paano mo nasabing language of community ang science? Sir, because my pagkain is natapon, ay science.
Kailangan kong gawin upang malaman mo.
5, 4, 7, 8, 3, 5, go and Vicks. Corn beef. Halamalamalay, corn beef. Halamalalay, corn beef. 5, 4, 7, 8, 3, 5, go and Vicks. Corn beef. Halamalamalay, corn beef. Halamalalay, corn beef.
I don't wanna lose you now. I'm looking right at the